Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today we're talking about what's on my iPhone, which apps do I use on a daily basis, how does my home screen setup look, which wallpaper do I use, which icon pack do I use. We will talk about everything in today's video. I've not done such a video in a very long time. That's why I thought it is in time to make a what's on my iPhone for 2022. Now fun fact, I do carry an Android phone as well, so I will be making a what's on my Android phone as well. If you want to watch that, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Now before we get further, I really like the cover on my iPhone as well. Technically, even this is on my iPhone and this cover is awesome. I just bought it yesterday in an offline store for 150 rupees. It's a pretty basic, thin, hard shell cover, but it looks absolutely stunning on my iPhone. If I can find it online, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. Alright, this is it. This is my iPhone 13 and this is my current home screen setup. This is a custom setup. Basically, I have customized each and every icon over here. You don't get one-click theme installs or icon pack installs. You'll have to, customize each and every icon, and that is kind of a process. Basically, what you have to do is go into the shortcuts application over here. Then you create a new shortcut. For example, I'll say open app. Then you got to select the application. For example, I'm going to select calculator over here, and then you got to add it to your home screen. Now, before you do that, you need to go over here, and from here you can select a custom icon for that particular application. I'm going to select the calculator icon over here, choose, change the name. I want it calculator and add. That's it. Now as you can see over here on the second page, a new calculator icon has been added, and once I click over here, it will open the calculator application. It will also show me a pop-up notification that the Siri shortcut has been used, the shortcut that we just created. Basically, it's a whole process and you will have to customize each and every icon over here. But the main question is that where do you download these icons from? It's pretty simple. You need to download this application called as Color Widgets. Color Widgets over here. Download this application. It's a great one. You will get some very good widgets like this one over here. The home screen widget is from this application itself, and you'll also get icons over here. You have free icons and premium icons as well. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I use this application on a daily basis. That's why I'm telling you about this. I have the minimal dark variant over here. I saved this icon pack in my camera roll, and that's how I customized each and every icon over here. On the first page, these applications are pretty basic. I have Amazon, WhatsApp, Twitter, Snapchat, Spotify, Photos, Google Drive, Calendar, Calculator, Clock, Files, Contact, Google Maps, Instagram, YouTube, and Camera. Basically all the basic applications, nothing exciting over here. The second page is where things get exciting. First up, I have a battery widget over here. I use this especially for AirPods Pro. Like whenever I connect my AirPods, I can see the battery right over here. Then on the right side, I have music. Music is always important. I have a widget over here. Then I have my folders. I have divided all my applications into respective folders, and that makes things very easy, like very organized and very easy as well. First up, we have the finance folder. I have my stock market applications over here, also my banking applications. Splitwise is here, which is very important to split your money amongst your friends. And yeah, basically all the finance applications. Then I have my social applications, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Snapchat. Pretty basic stuff. Then I have my business applications. So I have Zoho Books, which is a very good and free accounting software. So if you're just starting out your business, definitely check out Zoho Books. It's a free software and works like a charm. I have Zoho Inventory as well. Then Shopify for my online store, Creator application, Zoho Creator, Flipkart Seller Hub, Zoho Mail, ShipRocket. Then I have Google applications, YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube Studio, Google Photos, Google Maps, Google Duo, and all these applications. YouTube Studio is probably the main application over here. This is what I use to monitor my YouTube channel. That's the main one. Then I have food applications. These are my favorite applications. I have Swiggy, Starbucks, McDonald's, Licious, Bonvoy, Marriott, and I also have Zomato. Now, as far as online shopping goes, I have Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Myntra, Bewakoof, Me Store, and all these applications. These are my online shopping applications. Next up, I have another interesting folder over here, which is photo and video. I use Canva to edit my thumbnails, also Lightroom to edit photos, sticker cards. Now this is a very interesting application. Now this application can be used to create cards which can be posted on your Instagram story. For example, your YouTube video or your tweets. If you want to post them to your Instagram story, you can do them in a very beautiful way using these cards. These cards are awesome and work like a charm. You might have seen them in my Instagram story as well, and this is the application that I use. I also have a paid version of this application. It is very cheap and you should definitely check it out. Currently, I think it is only iOS exclusive. It's not on Android as of yet. So yeah, that's how it is. Apart from that, what is Zomato doing here? Let me quickly put it into food folder. Apart from that, I have Snapseed and also the DJI Fly app that I use to fly my drone. Then I have customization applications. I have Vellum, which is very good for wallpapers. I have Widgetsmith and Color Widgets, which I use for widgets. And finally, I have my favorite app over here, which is Backdrops. I use Backdrops a lot for wallpapers, and this is my go-to applications for wallpapers. It works like a charm. In fact, the wallpaper that you see in this video is also from Backdrops. Then I have my utilities. These are very boring utilities. Nothing exciting over here. Then Apple apps, the pre-installed iMovie, GarageBand, Numbers, Pages, Tips, and all these applications. Very boring again. Then I have my entertainment applications, Disney Plus, Hotstar, and Spotify. I do use Netflix as well, but not on my phone. I use Netflix on my laptop and TV. Finally, I have travel applications, Dunzo, Make My Trip, Uber, Ola, Airbnb, GoIbibo. And that's pretty much about it. These are my applications that I use on a daily basis. And one more app that I absolutely love is Apple Music. Apple Music is my go-to application for music, especially because of lossless audio and Dolby Atmos support. Because of that, I use Apple Music. Otherwise, I would prefer Spotify because of its, very good recommendation engine. But yeah, until Spotify does not add, lossless audio, I am going to use Apple Music. So yeah, those are the applications that I use on a daily basis. And that's how my iPhone looks currently. It keeps changing every couple of weeks. Like I will change the wallpaper, icons, and the home screen setup. It keeps changing in a couple of weeks. But currently, this is the setup that I have. And I think it looks pretty awesome. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, this video is brought to you by the Dot Company. Dot Company is our own brand. We make some awesome stuff. We make minimal t-shirts which are affordable, and we also make some great wallets out there. These wallets are amazing and people do appreciate them. So definitely check out Dot Company by clicking the link in the description box below. Also, you guys can use the code Technolope to get free shipping. So yeah, definitely use the code Technolope to get free shipping. Now, as I said in the start, this was what's on my iPhone. I will make a what's on my Android very soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's been it. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.